If you want to record sounds on the Motorola Moto G87, first of all, we need to go to the app drawer and we need to find the recorder app. Once you open it, you can tap on Get Started over here, and then we need to grant all of these necessary permissions to be able to use the recorder. Then you want to tap on this button that we have at the bottom of the screen. If needed, go to Settings over here, tap on Go to Settings to then choose the recorder and allow modes access for the app. And there we go. Now let's once again press this button, and now we are finally recording ourselves. Of course, this setup is just one time only, and whenever you are ready, you can just start recording yourself. And once you are done, you can either, well, pause the recording temporarily, and then you have the option to renew it, or you can just tap on the square button in order to stop immediately. And then you can also set up the title for the recording. You can get also some details, and you can choose folder, so you can categorize your recordings. And once you are done, tap on Save. And there we go. That is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.